Hey guys, today we're going to review this jackhammer. I'm going to use it, I'm going to show you what to do, and I'm going to show you why I bought it. I bought this jackhammer from Amazon because I wanted to do some digging, and the soil around my house has a lot of stone, so I could not dig as you would with traditional shovel. So I had to get something. I didn't want to get the trench I didn't want to get a machine to dig a trench. If I rented, it would cost me more than what this jackhammer cost. The job that I wanted to do is not much. I'm going to dig about this hole for the sump pump canister, and I want to dig a French drain, which is about 25 feet long. So I have a couple of options. I could either rent a digger, or I could get a machine to create trench. All these cost money, and renting is going to cost money too, and I'm going to be tied to a schedule. If I rent it for a day, 4 hours, 24 hours, or a week, I would have to return it at the end, and I would be charged every day that I rent it for. So I ran into a dilemma. So I was doing some research online. A lot of people bought this. It's the price is great, and it looked good online. So I bought it, and I gotta tell you, it already paid for itself. I like the machine. I like this jackhammer. I haven't used it on the concrete yet because my whole purpose was to finish this project. I bought it for creating a French drain on a soil that's filled with stone. So I tried digging with manual shovel, and it was very difficult. It would take me longer. So I got the jackhammer. It doesn't come with the shovel attachment. You have to buy the shovel attachment separate. I will try to leave the link below if you want to buy exactly the same thing on Amazon. I am very happy with this machine because I was able to dig and get my project done, and I'm also looking into digging into concrete now. The price that I would pay for renting, I paid pretty much similar or less, and I will have the machine with me for the rest of my life or rest of the machine's life. So, I mean, if you're thinking about it and you are on a budget, I highly recommend it. This is something any handyman should have. If you're into digging, if you're into landscaping, if you're into concrete work, I think it's worth buying. I don't really use it all the time, but when I need to, I have a tool that I could use. And I'm telling you, because of this tool, I got this job done in no time. And when you are done, you could always use your shovel to remove all the debris that is loosened up. See the side glass? They recommend you put motor oil here. You shouldn't go more than 3/4 and shouldn't be less than a half here. So right now it's almost full, but before you use it, you have to open the side glass, pour oil inside, motor oil. So I put synthetic oil, so I have a lot of synthetic oil left, and that's how you check it, by keeping it vertical like this to see if it has oil or not. It comes with the case, but you have to move this for this thing to close. I'm not going to close it right now because I have more work to do, but I just wanted to show you how it looks in a case. This hammer came with 2 bits. This is one of them. This is the second one. So the hammer and this came together. I had to buy this piece separate. Doesn't come with this hammer, but I'm sure you could probably find one right now. I bought this about a year ago. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep watching.